Are you trying to eat more veggies, but you're just kind of bored or don't like them? These 3 simple sauces are gonna be your solution. One good sauce can easily make a boring plate of vegetables so much more enjoyable to eat. Today, I am sharing with you 3 oil-free, weight loss friendly sauces that you can throw together in just minutes. They use simple ingredients, work in tons of different types of meals, and honestly, taste a whole heck of a lot better than the store-bought varieties. I will have the full recipes for all of these linked down in the description box below. These are sauces that I eat on repeat, that I make in less than 5 minutes and keep on hand in my fridge so that I can make simple ingredients into an exciting meal any day of the week. First up is my creamy balsamic dressing. This recipe originally came from my 5-minute sauce ebook, which you can find linked down below. It's creamy, it's tangy, it's low fat, it's perfect for any type of salad. I love this for roasted veggies, for salads. It is a perfect dressing to have on hand for all those summer get-togethers you're about to have. If you're someone who thinks that salads are boring, this dressing is gonna help you change your mind. Starting off with a good quality aged balsamic vinegar is key for this recipe. I like to get mine from a local shop, but you can find these pretty commonly online. To make this recipe, we're throwing all of our ingredients into a jar or a bowl, and you can whisk or shake it all up together. Into this dressing goes water, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, agave or maple syrup, 2 different types of mustard, and that good quality balsamic vinegar. You can also choose to add in a tablespoon of tahini or oil-free hummus if you're looking for a lower fat or lower calorie option. After mixing it up really well, you're going to have a thick, creamy, and delicious balsamic vinegar that is perfect for sandwiches, paninis, salads, bowls, you name it. Next up is the ultimate vegan sour cream. I mention this so many times throughout my videos and it deserves a spot and recognition. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to make it. It's creamy, it's tangy, it's low in fat, low in calories, and gives you a boost in protein on all your meals. It's perfect for baked potatoes, taco bowls, tacos, burritos. It is really delicious on absolutely everything, and it is the perfect base for dips. Adding in like a ranch seasoning, dill, anything like that, you can easily turn this into a quick creamy dressing. So it is so versatile. It is something that I always have in my fridge. Let's make it. Start off with some shelf-stable tofu. You could probably use a refrigerated one, but you're gonna have to be careful with the water content in that. It might affect the consistency. This recipe is perfect to do in a blender. However, mine is out of commission, so I've been doing all of these sauces in jars using my immersion blender. So once again, we're just combining all of our ingredients into a blender or container. That includes our silken tofu, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, garlic powder, miso, usually white or yellow works best for this, some nutritional yeast, and some salt to taste. You're going to thin this out with water to get to your desired consistency. I usually like to leave it pretty thick, and then I can thin it out if I'm going to use it for a dressing. But usually I like to leave it pretty thick so I can thin it out as I go if I want to be able to drizzle it or season it or however I want to use it. Most often I'm using this as a topping for burrito bowls or sushi bowls or even a dip for nachos or taquitos like this one. Last but not least is my orange miso sauce. You can see this one's nice and thin. It is bright, tangy, rich, delicious. It's the perfect hit of umami to add to your rice bowls. My daughter could literally drink this with rice. That is how delicious this one is. It's gonna give you an instant punch of flavor to those grain bowls, to those salads. It's the perfect marinade for tofu even, or tempeh. It's super versatile, and it is one you're going to want on hand, especially in these summer months, because it is so bright and so light and just so delicious. To make this recipe, we're going to start by juicing some fresh oranges of any variety. You need about a half a cup of orange juice, and fresh is best. Into our bowl, jar, blender, container, whatever you want to use, we're going to add in all of our ingredients, which includes miso paste. I'm using yellow, but any variety will work in this recipe. Ginger powder, garlic powder, and a touch of almond butter for that creamy taste. Then we add in some rice wine vinegar and that freshly squeezed orange juice, and we are going to shake this all up. But then you're going to use a spoon to look around and realize that shaking is not a good way to dissolve your miso. So then you grab your immersion blender or a whisk or your actual blender and combine it correctly. Once there's no big chunks of miso in there, your sauce is ready to go. This is perfect for marinating, for salads, for rice bowls. It is bright and light and delicious and perfect for summer. You're gonna wanna eat this all year long. Make any of these sauces and store them in the fridge because they are great to have on hand to jazz up a meal in a pinch. Those are my 3 go-to healthy sauces that make healthy eating so much easier. Having a few simple condiments like this on hand can completely change the game when it comes to being consistent on your own health journeys. When your meals actually taste good, it's just so much easier to actually show up and be consistent, right? Don't forget, all these recipes are linked down in the description box below for your reference. Some of them are from my 5-minute saucy ebook. So if you feel moved to support me and get more recipes like this, you can find the link to purchase that down in the description box below. And if you enjoy simple recipes like this or following along with other health journeys or realistic meals and what I eat in a day videos, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can come hang out with me here some more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!